I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canon 200D camera to your phone. First, download the Canon Camera Connect app from your phone's app store. Make sure your camera's battery is fully charged and a memory card is inserted. Then, simply power on your Canon 200D camera. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process, allowing you to prepare both devices for seamless communication. Next, we need to enable the Wi-Fi on your camera. Press the menu button on your Canon 200D. Navigate through the settings to find the wireless communication or Wi-Fi function option. Select Connect to Smartphone and then choose Easy Connection. This will prepare your camera to broadcast its own Wi-Fi signal, making it discoverable by your phone for the next step in the connection process. Now, open the Canon Camera Connect app on your smartphone. The app should automatically detect your Canon 200D. Select your camera model from the list that appears on your phone's screen. You will then see a confirmation prompt on your camera's display. Simply confirm it. Your phone will now establish a direct Wi-Fi connection with your camera, ready for remote operations and image transfers. With your devices connected, you can now enjoy the full benefits. Use the app to remotely control your camera, adjusting settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. You can also browse and transfer your photos and videos directly to your phone, making sharing incredibly easy. When you're finished, simply turn off the camera's Wi-Fi or close the app to disconnect, saving battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.